So, open natin yung first two multi-packs kung anong cards na makuha natin from the box na may glass na may cookie holder na nakuha natin earlier. So, tara open na natin these. Open lang natin carefully para pwede natin magamit yung container. Yan. So, we got Lapras. So again, I have a Lapras already. So this is my double. So I guess I'm going to trade it kung wala na ako ng iba. So, open na natin yung next one. So this came from the vanilla variant. Guys, remember itong slugs, wala silang cards. So, nabili ko lang siya kasi kasama siya dito sa 260 minimum spend. And we got Lapras again. So parang I think same batch lang siya. So yun. Lol. Very unlucky. Pero okay lang. At least we can trade this for something better. So yun. So let's open the other two remaining packs.